Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazin Kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. Today we are making some delicious prawn sauce, and this sauce is so good, I know you are going to love it. Let's get right into it. We have here some prawns, a mixture of bell peppers, onions, my homemade all-purpose marinade, some oyster sauce, and some carrots, and I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box below. We are going to season our prawns with some onion powder, some garlic powder, some paprika powder, and some ginger powder. I also added some salt and about a tablespoon of oil and mixed everything together. Next, I added some oil to my wok, and when it was nice and hot, I added my prawns and fried for about a minute on each side. Now prawns cook really fast, so you don't want to go more than 2 minutes. When it's nice and cooked, I'm going to take them out and set them aside. In the same oil, I'm going to add my onions and fry for about a minute. I'm quickly going to add my carrots. Remember, this is quick cooking, so everything has to be ready. I just added my homemade all-purpose marinade and then our bell peppers. We are going to quickly stir fry this for about 2 minutes and add back our prawns. I'm also going to add the oyster sauce, some freshly cracked black pepper, and give it a quick stir. Next, I'm going to add some corn flour mixture, which is just a teaspoon of corn flour with 4 tablespoons of water. If you want more liquid in your sauce, then you can double it up. Stir to combine, taste, and adjust your seasoning. Mine needed a little bit of salt, and I also added some chilli for extra heat. Mix everything together, and when your corn flour mixture is thickened up, your beautiful, delicious prawn sauce is ready. Just look at how beautiful and colorful this prawn sauce is. Serve over some rice, noodles, or even potatoes. It is that good. Now remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.